Hello Internet, and part of this episode of my post-move assessment, I will be raking a master lock number 3. Yeah, I think I got it. I think I had it, but I jammed everything up into the lock. Yeah, I did get it. It might be time to actually set this guy aside or replace it. I mean, I haven't taken this thing apart, but I did pick this guy up used. And he, compared to my other master lock number 4s, he does feel more worn out in there, so he might not be as a excellent representation of his group. But until next time, subscribe if you want. More importantly, have a nice day.